Hey guys, Jeff. Quick video for you. This is going to be just a quick unboxing. To be perfectly honest, I've already unboxed it, but my microphone was screwed up. So I'm redoing it for this video just so you guys can kind of see it. So obviously it's going to look like it's been already opened. It's because it has. But it was just like 30 minutes ago that I opened it. Now while I was editing, that's when I discovered that the audio was jacked up. So now I get to do it all over again. Anyway, what is this? This is a Optic from a company you've probably heard of. If you've heard of Osight, then you've heard of Osight. Osight has started recently coming out with optics, pistol mounted, carbine mounted, reflex sights for your smaller platforms. And I've got one here on the table. They sent this to me, so I've been able to check it out for you guys. And let's get into it. So obviously this is the packaging. Osight C. Now this is going to be a little different than some of the other ones that you've seen. You'll notice that some of the other ones have the hood over the top. This does not have the hood over the top. This is a disposable battery powered optic. That will be covered all in the full review video. This is just an initial view, an unboxing, just so you guys can see how it's set up. So anyway, this is the RMR sight. It comes with that little sticker for Osight. This is the zeroing and mounting instructions. So if that's important to you and you want to hold on to that, go ahead and take a screenshot of that. And then in the packaging here, it says, "Thank you for being part of the Osight family. Your support is the reason we are here. Enjoy, the Osight team." Now, you know, Olight has been around for a little while. They have a notorious name for being a hot flashlight. And they've been doing the presentation game for a while, so it looks like they're continuing to do that right here. So here's the optic. Obviously on this side here, you have the reflex sight with an RMR mount. Good looking little optic. Initial reactions. You'll notice it has the battery door here. But yeah, all in all, it is exactly what you expect a RMR sight to look like, in keeping with the Holosuns and the Trigicons and the, all of the other guys out there, the Primary Arms and the Meprolites and all of that. So we will test it out to see how it holds up. But moving on, you have this side here, which shows you a little bit of information. This has got the tool that comes with it. So this will help you pull the battery out. I'm sure that flathead, and then that whatever Torx version number that is there, I'm sure that's how you get it disassembled. Looks like it comes with a spare battery underneath here. And then you have the user's manual and all of the screws that you may need for your various gun mounts. So anyway, quick little introduction to this guy. Tell me what you think, guys. Is this something you would rock on your guns? Or are you waiting to see how they hold up in the world? Anyway, with that, I'm going to end it there, guys. Stay safe, stay active, stay vigilant, and stay in the fight, because the fight for our rights is never ending. Take care. See you next time.